In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make email on Brevo. To get started, open your Brevo account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. From there, look for the menu option called Campaigns. When you find it, click Campaigns so you can view the area where you build and manage message campaigns. This is the section that keeps all of your email work organized in one place. Next, you will create a brand new campaign. After you click Campaigns, look for the button or link that says Create Campaign. Click Create Campaign because this is what begins the setup for your new email. Taking this step first is important, since the rest of the options you choose will be connected to the campaign you are creating. Now, you need to choose the type of campaign you are making. In the Campaign Creation area, click Email. This tells Brevo that your goal is to send an email message, not something like an SMS or a different campaign style. Once you select Email, you will be guided into the details that make your email ready to send. With the email campaign type selected, you should see a field where you can name the campaign. Type your campaign name. Choose a name that helps you recognize what this email is about, especially if you plan to create multiple campaigns over time. After you enter the campaign name, click Create Campaign. This confirms the setup and moves you into the content and delivery settings. After the campaign is created, Brevo will prompt you to choose who will receive the email. Look for Recipients and click Recipients. From there, you can select your list or segment depending on how you organize your contacts. Take a moment to select the correct list or segment, because this determines the exact audience who will receive the message. When you have selected the right group, click Save to lock in your recipient choices. Next, you will set up the message details that appear at the top of the email in the recipient inbox. Find the Subject option, then click Subject. Enter your subject, and remember that the subject line is one of the first things recipients see. After you enter the subject, click Save. This ensures your subject line is stored correctly for the campaign. Now you are ready to design the email itself. Click Design, and you will be able to choose a template. Select the template that best fits the look and purpose of your email. Templates make it faster to build a polished message, and they also help keep spacing, typography, and layout consistent. Spend a moment selecting something that matches your branding and the kind of content you plan to include. Once you choose the template, you will proceed to finish the setup. Click Done, and then choose Save and Quit. This step is important because it confirms your changes and takes you out of the design area while keeping everything saved. After you do this, your campaign is set up and ready for the next stage of work, like reviewing content and preparing to send. And that covers the essential flow. Start by opening campaigns, create a new campaign, choose email, add a campaign name, select recipients, define your subject, pick a design template, and then save and exit. If you follow each selection carefully, you will have a complete email campaign configuration ready to build on. And that is all there is to it.